In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resubscribe to emails in Gmail. Maybe you unsubscribed from a newsletter or a company's updates a while ago, and now you've changed your mind and want those emails back. In Gmail, there isn't a big, obvious resubscribe button. But there are a few simple ways to start receiving those messages again, and I'll walk you through them step by step. First, open Gmail on your computer or your phone and sign into the account where you want to start getting those emails again. Make sure you're in the correct inbox, especially if you use multiple Gmail accounts, because resubscribing will only affect the inbox you're currently using. Next, use the search bar at the top of Gmail to find an older email from the sender you want to resubscribe to. Type the name of the sender, the company, or their email address. Then press Enter. Look through the results and open one of the messages you previously received from them. Inside that email, scroll to the very bottom. Most legitimate newsletters and marketing emails include an unsubscribe link, and often that same area will have an option to manage your preferences or resubscribe. It might say something like, Manage Email Preferences, Update Subscription, or Resubscribe. Click that link and you'll usually be taken to the sender's website where you can turn your subscription back on. Follow the prompts there, ticking any boxes for the types of emails you want, and then save or confirm your changes. If you don't see any resubscribe option in the email footer, the next thing to check is your Gmail filters and blocked addresses. In Gmail, click the gear icon in the top right. Then choose See All Settings. Go to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Look for any filters that might be automatically deleting, archiving, or skipping the inbox for that sender. If you see one, either edit it to allow the messages through, or delete the filter altogether. Also check the list of blocked addresses on that same page. If the sender's address is listed, remove it so their emails are no longer blocked. Finally, keep in mind that changes are not always instant. After you resubscribe or adjust your filters, give it a little time. Sometimes you won't get a new email from that sender until they send their next scheduled newsletter or campaign. That's all you need to do to resubscribe to emails in Gmail and start getting those messages back in your inbox.